present for Squirrel. I bet there's lots of fun games there. Woohoo! Let's go! Who sprayed water on us? It's Elephant!
Oh, I'm sorry I sprayed you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water.
Elephant, it's okay. Right, Dad?
Yeah. Oh, phew! So, were you guys going somewhere?
2 Squirrels Acorn Party.
A party? Sounds fun.
You should come too.
Really? Can I, Dad?
Of course you can.
Huh? Yahoo!
Have fun, kids.
La 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 la. We're having an acorn party. Hi, Squirrel. Someone's here. Hi, Squirrel. We're here.
Whoa!
But how come Squirrel isn't here? Hello, Squirrel. Ta-da! I'm here. Welcome to my acorn party. Here's your present. It's a giant acorn. Also, Elephant is here too.
But I wasn't invited. Is that okay?
Of course it is.
Oh, yay!
Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Hey, Elephant, it's your turn now.
Okay, then. Sorry.
Now I won't have acorns on my acorn party anymore.
I'm sorry, and I feel like I ruined your party.
Oh, why don't we have some dessert? That's a great idea! In fact, I made something super duper special for you. Okay. Ta-da! Delicious and crispy acorn roast. Wow, that's so yummy! Hey, Squirrel, is that smoke? Oh, look there! My house! Too hot! Someone help me! I left the oven on! We need to put the fire out! Huh? Oh! Aha! Elephant! You can squirt that water on the fire!
But I can't! I'll just mess things up again.
No, you won't, Elephant! We need you! Please!
Okay. I'll try.
Yeah! Elephant! Woohoo! Hey, the fire's getting smaller! Aha! Let's try one more time.
Okay.
Ready, Elephant? Let's start the fire!
Here comes the fire engine!
Take that!
Almost there!
Hey, the fire's out! You did it, Elephant! Great job! All right, it's time to party! Huh?
Squirrel!
Look! Oh, no, it's not out yet!
Are you all right?
Hi, Dad!
You guys could have asked me for help, you know.
Yeah. Oh, but Elephant saved the day.
Nuh-uh! Chip put out the fire.
Here, subscribe to our channel.